Ever wondered how to actually spend your hard-earned crypto online with ease and security? Stick around, because today we're diving deep into the Binance Virtual Card. First things first, if you haven't already, make sure you've downloaded the Binance app and completed your KYC verification that's essential for accessing the card features. Now, let's generate your virtual card in your Binance app. Look for the Cards option, usually found under More or directly on the homepage. Tap on it. You'll see an option to create card. Follow the on-screen prompts. This usually involves agreeing to the terms and conditions. It's a quick and straightforward process. The magic of the Binance Virtual Card is its seamless connection to your Binance Spot wallet. You'll need to select which cryptocurrency balance you want your card to draw from for transactions. Once created, your virtual card details will be instantly available within the app. You'll see your card number, expiry date, and CVV code, just like a physical card. Now comes the fun part: Euro spending. For any online transaction, whether it's shopping, subscriptions, or anything else, simply enter your virtual card details at the checkout of your chosen merchant. It works just like any other debit or credit card. Just copy and paste the details carefully into the relevant fields. Remember, this card is linked to your chosen crypto balance, so the value will be converted at the time of purchase. Keep an eye on your transaction history. Within the Binance Card section, you can see all your debits and credits in real time, giving you complete control and transparency over your crypto spending. It's important to understand the card's features. It's widely accepted wherever Visa or MasterCard are used online, offering incredible flexibility. However, note that this is a virtual card, meaning no ATM withdrawals and limited to online transactions. And that's it. You're now equipped to properly use your Binance Virtual Card, turning your crypto into a convenient and secure payment method for the digital world. Happy spending!